She's wearing a Brenda Fresno dress. And she's wearing shoes ng red logo. Available po yan sa atin. Okay? O, sinipad nyo lang po. Hi, Miss Mary Joy. So, gusto mo bang pakilala mo kung sino ka? Paano ka naging member ng Red Dog?
Mahaba yung mic.
Magandang hapon po sa mga tao na narito. Ako po si Mary Joyce Pacheco, 18 years of age, from Modelo, Bulakenyo. Bali, kinuha po ako ni Ma'am Sandra kung naging representative po ng supermodel dito po sa Red Logo. Bali, naging member na din po ako nito. At, ayun po.
This is a great philosopher in China that learning without thought is a skill. And thought without learning is a danger. I think.
Ano ulit yun? Pakiulit term niya, sabi niya, pakatagalog ko. So, hindi daw narinig. Ano daw ulit yung motto mo, ma'am?
There's to say, from Confucius, great philosopher in China that learning without thought is a snare. And thought without learning is a danger.
Well said. Very well said. Ano daw yun? Thank you, Miss Pacheco. Okay? Na po tayo. Okay?